Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Cardano. And since you guys asked for an analysis on what is happening in the midterm every now and then, okay, let's go first on some higher time frames and see what is happening in this whole area starting from the lowest low. Now, in ADA, as long as we are not taking this low about, let's say, 27.5 cents, I think it is very much safe to assume that we are having a one correction for wave 2, and after our correction is over, we're gonna have a big move up into wave 3 for 5, which on a higher degree it's gonna be into a wave 3 and then 4 and then 5. For now, we are considering this scenario as our primary case. What about the alternate scenario? Well, the alternate one naturally is going to be the bearish possibility, indicating maybe instead of a 1-2 scenario, we are having just a very simple ABC zigzag. And then from here, or maybe a bit higher, not that important, we are going to have a big move down in order to take the lowest low in here about 27.5 cents. What if we do go according to this scenario and get this big move down? Does this mean at that point, right around the lows in ADA, we should be 100% bearish? I think at that point, we are going to actually say this is a huge buying opportunity, because in the long term in Cardano, once more, I'm gonna say we are probably having a series of 1-2s, meaning this is 1, this is 2, and after our wave 2 is over, we are going to start another beautiful bull run into wave 3 and 4 and 5, which on a higher degree, it's gonna be into a wave 3, correction for 4, another move up into wave 5. You get the idea. So for now, and as long as I'm not proven otherwise in the midterm, I would like to be optimistic in Cardano and say maybe the 1-2 scenario is in play. Also, another very important sign suggesting in ADA in this whole move down, starting from this high about $1.3, we are having a correction and not an impulse, is this. See, if you want to say this is actually an impulse and I am wrong, then okay, you need to be able to find off of the highest side to about here a 5 wave down. However, I think it's kind of not possible to find a solid impulse in here, and we are probably having either an ABC or maybe a WXY, which kind of got confirmed when in this move up in Cardano, we took this important high. So to me, this is another beautiful bullish sign suggesting overall, this is just a slow and choppy move down, a corrective movement, and after it's over, we are going to continue the bull run. Now, let's go on H1 time frame, see what is happening. You see, if you remember in the previous update, we were right in here, and the idea was that maybe we have completed a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down, and naturally after an impulse on the downside, what are we going to have? Some sort of a move up. But I was saying, if from here we're going to get a move on the upside, we shouldn't be that optimistic, because at that point, maybe this is going to be just a corrective movement, and then we're going to have another move down. Now, as you can see, from this point, we didn't get a move up. Instead, from here, we are getting some sort of a recovery phase. And I still stand by what I said. I don't think that this move up by itself is going to be a good sign. I believe we should pay very close attention to the shape of this move. If this is going to be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up, okay, I guess that can be an optimistic sign suggesting maybe some sort of a low in Cardano is in. And I would like to especially suggest to just wait a little bit more and see in ADA, are we going to get a break of this important resistance area between, let's say, 79.5 to about 85.5 cents or not? If we do break this region, that could be like a very, very optimistic sign, indicating probably the bottom is actually in. So for now, let's expect some sort of a move up, but at that point, you shouldn't be overwhelmingly optimistic. If we get a slow and choppy move up in here, that's not going to be a good sign, suggesting the next move is probably going to be a decent one down. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in ADA. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.